what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel SK Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to check your battery health of your laptop. So first of all, you have to go to search bar, type CMD or command prompt, press enter. The terminal appears. Type powercfg space / battery report, then press enter. Your file path appears. Copy it, go to any web browser. I'm going with Chrome, then press not press, you have to paste it here and press enter. Now look, this it is your battery health when it was built, but now it's battery health. I hope you like the video. Please like, share or subscribe. Thank you.